It is day 11 of Vlogmas, and I wasn't gonna vlog today because I really didn't have anything to do, but I was cleaning out my little mess over here, and let me tell you something. So I opened up this box. It was a FabFitFun Summer Edition, and we are now in December. So why am I just now opening it? I'm opening it. I didn't open it before because I thought to myself, I already know what's in it because I saw the other YouTube video. So I was like, thought I saw it? I don't know. Maybe I didn't see it. Holy moly, am I surprised by everything. So I need to share with you guys what I got because I was like, what? Alright, so this is the box and I already went through it, but let me show you what's in it. Okay, so let me show you what I... So it comes with the magazine. And it just shows what's in it, supposedly, you know, reading material. So I open it. First thing on top of the box is this tart. Oh, let me tell you how much I paid for the box. I think the box was, hold on. I'm in my PJs. I think the box was about 50 bucks. I got this Tarte Pro Glow. Do you know that how much this goes for? I will insert the price because I'm pretty sure it's about 45 bucks or something. I don't know how much. Oh, it's a little messy, but I think something cracked in it, so let's hope. Do you see this? Hello? Hello? Holy moly. This is not just a sample size. This is a full size. This is what they sell in the stores. And it has like a bronzer, a matte bronzer, a cream bronzer, and these are like your highlighters. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. However you want to use them. Oh, okay, that's what came in it. I was like, what? Seriously? So it's, what does it say? Highlight and contour palette. That's what it is. Okay. Okay. I will insert the price of how much this goes for. Okay. Then I saw this really cute ring. Isn't that so cute? So cute. I'm in shock. And then this little like I think jewelry tray from Pier 1. Don't know how much it really goes for in stores. But look at that marble and that like gold accent around it. So cute. So cute. Okay. I think it says on here what these retail for. So let's go through it. Okay. The Tarte Pro Glow goes for $45. 45. Okay. That ring, this is where 14 karat gold plated ring features 2 natural cultured freshwater pearls set in a classic and modern design. It's Earth to Y Yo ring. I don't know. But this is it. $55. Okay? We are well past $100 already. Okay? Pier 1. That little tray. $14.99. $14.99. Okay? Then I've been wanting this, and I know it's an expensive thing, and I have not forked up the money to buy it. Look at this. This is from Foreo. I don't know how you say it. Foreo, whatever. $89 this goes for. Okay, this is you're one of the first to get your hands on Foreo's newest revolutionary device. It is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the... I don't know what it all means, okay? I don't know. I don't know why they don't just tell me what it is for. But it's for your face. It, like, you cleanse your face with it. $89. We are at $200, people. $200. And it's black. My favorite color. Next is this makeup bag. I'm gonna show you. You guys are gonna stay on this video. Look at that. Okay, nothing's in it. Some piece of shit. Okay. Cute. I like it. That goes for $58. It's by Yumi Kim makeup train case. And it's made out of this like kind of washable material, so it's not cloth type, which I like because if you know when you're doing your makeup or something, you have it on your hands for some reason, you won't stain the cloth when it's that type of makeup case. But okay, then I got this brightening up enzymatic face, I don't know, rejuvenator. It's an exfoliating cleanser. Okay, that retails for, I should just keep this open. What? Where are you? This is by Vasanti, and it's $29. Get glowing with this exfoliating cleanser. Okay, that's that. Then there's more. Then Orlando Pita Play hair protectant spray. This retails for $34. Spray throughout towel dried hair before using. See what it smells like. Floral, but good. So it's supposed to, the ultimate pre-heat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits. Not just 9, not 11, but 10. Okay, and the final thing, oh no, I got one. A straw? Why would they give me a straw? I think somebody dropped their straw. This straw saves marine life. Visit. Okay, a straw. Okay. Last thing is from Kula. This is sunscreen, which I really don't use, but it's a moisturizer sunscreen, so I might give this to somebody that uses that because I don't really like sunscreen on my face. But this one retails for $32. Total value of the box was about $367, and I paid $54. Why did I cancel the subscription? I don't know, but now I'm gonna go back to it. So this was the summer box, and I'm not sure if it's still available. I don't know, but I needed to come on here and tell you guys that right now, December 11th, I just opened up the summer box and I am in awe. In awe. This is golden. Look it up on Sephora, wherever they sell it. Look it up. This is expensive. That's it. Thanks for coming to my channel. Day 11 Vlogmas. Bye.